Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the immigration options, Canadian immigration options for IT professionals. IT professionals. If you are an IT professional outside of Canada and you're wanting to make the move to Canada, stay tuned. We'll have much more after this break. As always, remember to like our videos so others may see more videos like this. Share our videos with your family, friends, and anybody you think who needs it. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified the next time we publish a video. And of course, check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. I'll be right back. Hi there, welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis. I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer and I help workers, I help students, I help businesses, and I help families with their Canadian immigration matters and save them from having to deal with complicated immigration rules. In this video, I thought I'd very briefly spend some time to address some of the ways in which an IT professional may be able to make the move to Canada. Now, broadly speaking, IT professionals are among the most highly sought after professional groups inside Canada at the moment. And so if you are a developer, or if you are a web architect, if you are a software engineer or hardware engineer, and any of the many other associated professions, then you may be able to make the transition to Canada if you are able to identify the right channel through which to do it. Now, broadly speaking, persons wanting to come to Canada are able to come either directly as permanent residents or may be able to come temporarily as workers or students and then transition to Canada after a period of time inside Canada. For IT workers outside of Canada, many IT workers have been able to make the transition to Canada as permanent residents, actually, under one of the permanent residency programs under what's known as the Express Entry System. You know, most IT workers are going to be able to come under the Federal Skilled Worker Program, assuming they meet the eligibility requirements. And if an IT worker is not able to come under the regular Express Entry program, there are also provincial programs, meaning immigration programs inside Canada that are managed by the provinces rather than by the federal government, which are also targeted at IT workers. For instance, the province of British Columbia has a specific stream known as the Tech Pilot Program that is targeted at certain categories of IT professionals, and that allows an eligible IT professional to eventually become a permanent resident and in the process to also secure a work permit to work inside Canada. The province of Ontario also has a stream that targets IT professionals from time to time and helps to transition IT professionals to permanent residency. Okay, so not only are there the regular federal permanent residency type programs under Express Entry, but there are also provincial programs that are geared towards IT workers. Okay, now the federal Express Entry type programs, the Foreign Skilled Worker Program specifically, which is managed under the system known as Express Entry. For you to qualify for that program, you would need to accumulate a certain number of points based on 4 primary factors. The factors that would be taken into consideration are your age. You know, if you're between the ages of 22, 23, and say 33, that's going to be favorable to you. If you have at least a university degree or higher, that's going to be favorable to you. The higher your education, the more favorable it is. If you have experience in your IT area of work and you have more than 1 year or more than 3 years, that would even be better. That's going to be taken into consideration. And then the fourth thing would be your performance in an English language test or a French language test if you're a French language speaker. Okay, so those 4 variables are taking into consideration your age, your education level, your work experience, and your performance in a language test, English or French. Those 4 factors are taken into consideration, and points are assigned based on how well you score in those 4 areas. And then based on that, you may be able to receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency under the Express Entry program as an IT worker. Once you get into the pool of eligible applicants, even if you do not receive an invitation to apply right away, what that does is it opens you up to opportunities within the provinces, within the British Columbia or Ontario or some of the many other provinces that have an interest in securing the skills and expertise of an IT worker. And so setting up your Express Entry profile is going to be an important thing for any IT worker to do in order to better position yourself to become a Canadian permanent resident. As I indicated before, you also have the option of coming temporarily as a worker. But for you to do that, you will first need to secure a job offer from a Canadian employer, okay? And generally speaking, job offers are also going to be required if you're wanting to come under one of the provincial programs. But securing a job offer is going to be a crucial element. But that's likely going to be an easier undertaking for an IT worker than it would be for persons in some of the less high demand industries. So the first thing you need to do is to secure a job offer from a Canadian employer, and then once you have that job offer, you may be able to apply for a work permit and come on that work permit and then transition from being a temporary worker over a period of time to becoming a permanent resident using some of the available permanent residency options that are currently inside Canada, one of which is known as a Canadian Experience Class, which allows persons who've worked here on a work permit for at least 1 year to then apply for permanent residency. Or you may again apply under one of the provincial programs after having worked here for a while. So that's going to be yet another avenue through which an IT professional may be able to not just get to Canada temporarily, but eventually become a permanent resident. Okay, I trust you found value from this, and as always, remember to like our videos so others may see more videos like this. Share our videos so that others will get this information. Subscribe to our channel so that you are notified the next time we publish a video, and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. Thanks, see you again.